everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje guys sikhuluma ke ngeindaba ezimnandi neindaba ezimbi. Asiqaleni ngezimnandi. Niyazi guys ukuthi ke imidlalo eminingi la kumabona kude wethu iyaphela, eminye ke iyabuya for season 2, but kukhona imidlalo ke ephela ke ukuphela njenge House of Zwide. Well guys, House of Zwide ke mhla 26 June 2026 iyaphela, ngeke sababikho for season 2. Kunomdlalo omusha ke ozo replace House of Zwide. Igama lomdlalo ke eGagasini Wave of Change. Izoqala ke mhla ka 29 June ngo 7:30. Bathi ke get ready for drama shaped by ambition, family conflict, betrayal, love, music and legacy. Well guys, kunabantu ke enibaziyo ke abazobedlala ke kulomdlalo, bathi ke iWave of Change follow 3 ambitious best friend from Umlazi, Lwandle, Njabulo and Sihle, whose life changed forever after a viral video. Yabo ke so kukhona ke ifamily ke uyona ngicanga ukuthi ke izoba ama main character ezobe ke idlalwa ke uShadrack Mavuso. Nemazi ke guys uShadrack Mavuso simazi kakhulu ke khona la kumabona kude ke wethu. Shadrack Mavuso uzobe ke edlala indawo kaSenzo Dube okuyena ke umnikazi we music noma ke a legendary music producer and the founder of Umlilo Records. uMavuso guys uzobe shade noGugu Gumede esimazi ngomamlambo kuZalo, nozobe edlala as ke uPhumelela Dube ongunkosikazi ke ka Senzo Dube, bese beba nendodakazi yabo ke nabala ku music ke bonke. So it's about music, family conflict nje, ilezo zinto ke njengalezo. Lo mdlalo ke ubhalwe ke iStan Glass guys. iStan Glass ke sisazi ngokusibhalela ke izitori ebuye ke zibuye zingabi ke izitori ezithembekalayo nje, basibazi ukuthi kuzala abantu kudala becomplain bethi uzalo liyabheda. Ibona futhi babekade bebhale iDurban Gen, babebhale izitori njengo Hostela. Most of the time they use the same characters. They basenza nje ama character wodwa basuse ngapha babe ngapha. But again guys, we are hoping because the standard is very high. Nimba, they have set a standard very high, so whoever come to this industry must just pull up their socks. So we are hoping ukuthi at this point Eastern Glass might give us something esizoyithanda, sizoba glued ke kuyona as they are replacing iHouse of Zwide. So yeah guys, izona ke indaba ke nge slot sika 7:30 as from next month noma ngomhla ka 29 June. The new story is eGagasini, the Wave of Change. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave a comment below and share your opinion. Bye.